Under silver moonlight we glide. With every step our worlds collide.
This is my first trade today. That is Siysil, one of my favorite counters, as we all know. So yesterday, Siysil made a hammer candle at a potentially very good support location. So I was looking to go along for a swing trade for a target of 1000 or 1040. So I was looking at the intraday today to get an entry. And we can see that right around here, Siysil made a beautiful inversion pattern that I was looking for. A beautiful version of the pattern which angles, I think, entire 1.5 days candle, and it gave a beautiful position like that. So only thing left was to go long above. This one was stop loss, and we knew this would happen, right? It just rocketed around 91 points from a buy, right? So we can see that immediately. If you can check it, you can see that there is resistance there, and that's where it kind of got stuck, right? And so 970 odd depend, 969 I believe. So this is what happens when you read the candles right and you are prepared to act on your findings. This is exactly what will happen. If I was scared, Nifty was falling at that time, but I was scared thinking that Nifty will impact this and I will never make this profit, right? So entry, and I have an executive stop, was 50% on top. So I'm still holding it. Let's see how it would behave as tomorrow, whether it kills 1,000 or 1,040. It's a good stock. I have traded hundreds of times. So let's see. The first trade of the day was scalar. So starting the daily chart, you see that on the daily chart, scalar made a bearish hangman pattern after making a bullish haram over here. The bulls wanted to save this up. They will use this bullish haram to push the stop up, but out of the day up, it is not that it has a beta of 1.9, 1.8, 1.9. That means if Nifty is falling 10 rupees, this guy will fall 18 rupees. So it generally follows the direction of Nifty. It doesn't go in the opposite direction. Now, having established that, my short point was either test this low and fall or test this high and fall. But without making any chance for me to get confused, so stop promptly, sold off in first 5 minutes itself, and I ended short after the pullback. So it fell down here, and there is we can see a nice bearish harami plus a shooting star. It's a perfect candle for short because it's at a resistance that and stop loss is so teeny weeny, right? But I had prepared it will bounce when I bounce with 50% of this wall, or I get a stop loss right here. My targets are at 784 and 776. It definitely hit 784, and what did it not? 776 came to 777.5 in the doors. But the worst doesn't move 782. So this is a very good trade again. Long next to the 3R, I think. The risk reward ratio will for this trade. If you're in a clear cut canvas trade, bearish hangman on the daily chart, shooting star on the 5-minute chart, and I made a good profit in there. If you have any doubts in using these candles, feel free to cut me. Thank you very much. No trading day is complete without any trading activities. So my Nifty trade was today as it was an expiry day, so I don't jump into trades. Today we had an open high on the Nifty, and which was not ignored at all. So I waited for this candle to close and then pull up and pull back up the level that I expected it to. And then it made a shooting star and a bearish underpin all at once. And then it gave a beautiful punch down, which I used to cover most of my shots, and then some I closed at the end. So this is a very good trade in Nifty that I had. Very easy trade, very simple, logical candle structure, not a tough day at all. Except if you try to too much optimize your trade by going on and over here. I believe the trend is down, and I take all these short trades. I mean, whenever Nifty pulls that, I look for a short. I'm not interested in buying right now. That's just my take. I could be wrong, obviously. And so this is my query Nifty. So hope you enjoyed these trades, and more importantly, the logic behind these trades, why I accept the trade and how I took the trade. And the essential is a platform where we are trying to learn, and it's not intended for any kind of other purpose or no buy calls. I don't do buy sell calls and all that. Okay, so if you like it, please like the video and give the thumbs up. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Under silver moonlight we glide. With every step our worlds collide. In the glow of night so strong, we'll be dancing all night long. Eyes locked tight and hearts in sync. Moments pass like just a blink. In this tale where we belong, we'll be dancing all night long. Hold me closer, don't let go. Feel the magic start to grow. Through the night till morning song, we'll be dancing